Ebonies launched their first ever streaming platform, Ebonies.com. Subscribe to watch all your favorite Ebony TV series. You can watch all this and much more on the Ebonies online streaming platform, Ebonies.com.
Yes, www.ebo.com is the platform we are launching today. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. It's Anson 256 representing to the fullest like always. We are live on our Facebook page. Why not? Tell a friend that we are live. We are live. Ladies and gentlemen, because we are going to be launching our first ever online ratchet even to your nav tugenda kuba tukolachi nga tubibawa okisegere kintu watu kikola fe aba Ebonies tugenda kuba in 1977 twalina productions nyingi nnyo okisegera banakaunda mbajukira with the Ebonies okisegera olunako lwaleero tugenda kubatenga tubanjulira our online platform. That's what it is. Okisegera from 1977 up to date ngekintu kibalaga okisegera twayagadde tulemekoma mu Uganda moka, so we are going to be worldwide ngekintu tukikuba bukubi abantu abali mu America, Argentina, Denmark, abange China, ekintu mugenda kubanga mukikwasaganya bulungi nnyo. So I want you guys to be on it. I just want 256 representing to the fullest like always. Kati kambanjireko ku kuzimu platforms etugenda okubera nga tuliko. Osega twakuba omuziki edda. Omuziki guno gwaba Ebonies. Ogwedda Jimmy Katumba. Osegera. Tugenda kuba tuli ku music on Tidal, YouTube, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, kono sangeko muziki yenayina zizai twalina omupiira basa kinawataka obwo buyimba obwabanyumirange edda bannange tell a friend. Actually woba kwoli, you share the link ekintu bere nga tukikwasaganya osegera all our productions ezibadde ku stage since 1977 up to date tugenda kubanga tubibawa osegera. So I don't want you to miss out. Tell a friend that we are live on our Facebook page. I'm seeing so many people here are active. Thank you so much, and continue sharing the link. Ogambe, your brothers, your sisters, your mom, your dad, Bagamentino, Ebonies is live. Why not? Naenga briefly to Bagambeko right about now, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to be ushering in Ochitegera abagenyi bafatebe tugenda kubanga tuwa batuwaringa kuchifocha febala baby chibye tukola. What do? You understand? For us, we do music, we do drama, we do dance, we do everything. Teacher to talk. Yes, we are welcome. Thank you so much. They are here.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, they have to sanitize. As I said, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, our guests, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ekintu kikyakwata omuliro, ekintu kirikoza. Abagenyi bakoze back to the member coming in. You understand? Yes, but the body so smart, they're looking so gorgeous. But meanwhile, guys, I want you to share. I'm seeing so many people are online. Please share the link. Share the link. Ekintu kiberenga ate kikwatira ddala omuliro, ekintu kibere kyamanyi nnyo. Remember, on Corrado, we are launching our website because we're going to be finding all our productions since 1977 up to date. Thank you so much.
Members of the press, you're most welcome. And all the people seeing us online, you're all welcome to Ebonies. Ganogi Makagafe by Ebonies. Yes, Ebonies is one production center. Ebonies houses the Ebonies filming locations. It houses our rehearsal venues, and it also houses VCL studios, our audio and visual studios. Yes. So tubaliriza nnyo bannanga batulabako online tuli wano mu makagaba Ebonies. Yes, we have Theatre Labonita. Naye these are our headquarters. Ge makanda baita makanda gaba Ebonies. Right here tuli ku reception Ebonies. I mean Ebawood. And reception one or two now history affair. As you'll see over here, Twatanika as a musical group, and affair more music yali Jimmy Katumba, omugenzi Jimmy Katumba, Bibawo. That was way back in 1977. Then here we have Ja Kabaka ngagulawo theatre yaffe, Theatre Labonita, the Theatre Labonita. But Ebonies to traveling extensively to tutambudde mu nsi nyingi nnyo. You realize that these are some of the places here. We were in London, and of course actually in the O2 Arena twali tugenda nakulaba show ya Jennifer Lopez nga twetegekera okugiraba. So this is part of our history here.
Jennifer Lopez?
Yes, Jennifer Lopez, yes. And show that's why tugenda okulaba there. Yes.
Jello.
Yes. Jello. Yeah. Now wetutaninga kompola mpola bwetuti tulina these some of the shows, stage shows zetubadde tulaga twatandikira mu Theatre Excelsior. We had a theatre, now it is Batu Valley Theatre. So some of these plays we are realizing like the Dollar, the Inspectors Uzalimu, Theatre Excelsior, Wet Shock, and so on. Then we've got some of these artists just more theatre Theatre Labonita. But not only here, naye tuzizanye mu different parts of the country. Tutambudde Uganda yonna netujetooloola nga tulaga shows zaffe zino. So once again I welcome you to Ebawood. Oh yes, you wano mujja kulaba some of the awards by Ebonies ze babadde ba winning, and of course to win the awards nyingi nnyo. Those are just some of them. Yes. So I once again welcome you, Bananga Balik Online. This is Ebawood, Makagaba Ebonies. Okay. Yeah. Right here in the office, your manager wa Faith, manager wa Ebonies, Ebawood. Generally, that is office. Yange eliwano mpola nja kugirengera ku katono nnyo. That is my office over there. Yes. Yes. Here I have Jimmy Katumba, omugenzi Katumba.
First manager of the Ebonies.
This is the first.
Yes, different people are online, man. Thank you so much. Winston Freddy, you're on. Thank you so much. But if you're watching, please share the link. Share the link. Tell them that Ebonies is live. But remember, tuchali kutuwaringa. Osega mulabi omukulu mukama wange Dr. Bosa. Ali mukutambuza ate. Ba journalists bafona kuralira bachalide. Mumakaga fe wano manyi wano buli kimu wekigwera. Everything our productions is on as mbade mulaba ate wano wekigwera. Osega so Dr. Bosa ali mbalambuza mpola. Nenga banange njagalo bakubiriza mwongere okusharinga link. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are on. We are live. It's Ajisak 256 represented to the fullest like always. Osegera and
Katikkiro ng'asoosowaza ensonga za Ssaabasajja Kabaka empologoma ya Buganda nga tugamba nti Ssaabasajja awangale.
Ssaabasajja gwe maaso moogi wangaala.
Zerebunyiza nsigala bwentya mwenyera sinyiga kumune beebuuza kiki kikuumira akaseko ku mutima gange nze kinsanyusa kumanya nti kabaka wange gy'ali afuga njaliko na mulondo yateredde teri yamusumbuwa guno mulembe omutebi yagugabira ffe abavubuka kabaka waffe n'atuwa ne Katikkiro tutegeera ffe abavubuka Peter Mayiga ekibira kiri kumira gye bujja kati kibamu miti mito mugire tufungize Buganda etangalidde nkale tuliswala nnyo ebintu bino okutulema nga tulina omulembe omutangaavu
Katikkiro muvubuka mukozi paffe tusensebuse Ebonies ffe tubeera tuti maaso g'otali kukabya amaziga oyo taliraba.
All our content, all our works is our Ebonies okuviira ddala mu 1977. Ebonies was
byotugata laba masira gajo gafubyeko taata gaddewo tekirabanga empisa mu bavubuka ziteredde newankubadde temubula mpulunguse kati kisigalidde tusituka tweyambe kuba kino ekintu kyaffe bweya
Sebonna musa empologoma nantalya nkoko menyemu nasimya olwa Katikkiro muvubuka mukozi paffe tusensebuse Ebonies ffe tubeera tuti maaso g'otali kukabya amaziga oyo taliraba.
Ebigezezaako okutomera Buganda biwerako naye teyuga oba omusingi gwayo gwakolwa mpagi nywevu ezitabuka mulimu kwagala ensi yaffe kyava ku bajjajja baffe oli yawangayo ne kaasigaza katono Buganda ekube mulimu okulwanirira ensi yaffe jjukira bedda baatabaala okwagalana n'obumu nakyo kikulu kinyweza Buganda eno nga naye ekisinga mu byonna gwe mukwano gwa kabaka waffe ogutakyuka.
Obwakabaka bw'obubenga obeera olubeerera Sebonna musa empologoma nantalya nkoko menyemu nasimya olwa Katikkiro muvubuka mukozi paffe tusensebuse Ebonies ffe tubeera tuti maaso g'otali kukabya amaziga oyo taliraba.
Kutuwa abavubuka kati tumwagale tumutinkize buli kye tukola tumukulembeze tumutikise tumusosowaze olwo tufuba okuba beerufu mu buli kye tukola tetumukweka tusitule.
yes. Nyongera okubaaniriza wano mu maka gaffe theatre, Eberwood. Eberwood, as I said earlier, houses all the locations, filming locations is our Ebonies. Rehearsal venues is our Ebonies. It also houses the VCL studios, our audio and visual studios. Today is a big day for us by Ebonies because we are launching our first online streaming platform where we are going to put all our content right from 1977, when the group was founded, up to date. This group was founded by OHT John W. Katende Sembagye, a lawyer, but with a passion ey'amaanyi nnyo eya performing arts. Iranga ya he's the one who writes, produces and directs all the productions of the Ebonies. Since 1977, tubadde tujja tukola very many productions. Tulaze emizannyo mingi nnyo, stage plays. We started as a musical group, so there were stage productions, stage music productions by Jimmy Katumba. We are drummer. Netutekako n'emizannyo nnyo. Atwe twavaawo netutekako ne series zembadde mulaba, like That's Life Mwattu, Bibawo, Kitobero Alakat, Life Kyeki, n'endala nnyingi nnyo zetubadde tu airinze mu period eyo. Tutaddeko stage musical shows nyingi nnyo. Currently tubadde tulina Music Tantal, which has been running before the lockdown, and we've had Romantic Night. It is also a musical show, stage show. N'endala nyingi nnyo. So all this content is all going to go on this new platform, www.ebowood.com. gye tugenda okulaunchinga olunaku lwa leero. We are launching it today. So I know there are some people who enjoyed plays like The Dollar, plays like Daisy, and so on. You are all going to have these plays. You are going to enjoy all these plays on this platform. This platform is similar to the current Netflix that is running, yes, whereby you get an often film, but ours now is really customized, free by Ebonies, Ebowood, whereby you'll be able to get every content, every production. Ezaliwo neziri current ate nezetujjokola ki nezetujjokola zonna zijja kubanga zisangibwa on this very platform. At the same time, music waffe gwe twakola okuvira ddala era mu 1977 twalina omukwano ne gufa munyambe entuukeyo up to the present gundi songs zetubadde tukola yongera ologe and so on. Zonna mujja kubanga musobola okuzisangayo ate ne audio okusobola okumusanga ku platforms like Spotify, Tidal, Apple Music n'endala zonna. So ekintu kino twali tukikuumye for some time. Abantu baali baagala nnyo okuba nti batuteekako pressure. They used to pressurize us so much nga baagala tuteeke our productions tuzibalage nga bwe mbadde ngamba nti people who had watched The Dollar nga batuteekako pressure nti we want those plays back, we want and so on. Naye ne tukikuuma for some time. So we've been keeping all these things in our archives. But today we are releasing them. Tubibateeredde era mugenda kubyenjoyinga on our new platform ya www.ebowood.com. We've performed in so many places, not only Uganda, but we've also performed outside Uganda, like the USA, like in UK, South Africa, and so on. Dubai, Rwanda. All this in Rwanda, all these performances, you'll be enjoying them on this new platform. Jetugenda okugulawo olwaleero. So once again sijja kukowa kubaaniriza mwena abali ku online namwe members of the press okubaaniriza okujja ku Ebonwood ate n'okubeebaza okutusanyukirako okubeerawo okutusanyukirako nga tukola this launch today. I now want to take you, we are going to have a small tour mu Ebonwood wano mulabe studios, mulabe filming locations, mulabe our rehearsal venues. Na akaseera kanaba katuwadde tukafunyira akatumala. So we are going to see just some of them. So
yes, that was Dr. Bosa. Kwegambe chintu cho mndoza abanyonyodde ekintu mukitegeera bulungi nnyo. But lately twabakubidde kakayimba kagunda sawa sajja. Onako regulo sawa sajja kabaka emikolo gyabadde gimubuuba ate ng'era Ebonies yabadde ng'era representing mpola Rachinedda. Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, mbasaba, please share the link and don't forget to comment and like our Facebook page. Rachinedda tugenda kuba tubongera bintu bingi nnyo ddala. Kati njagala nsooke mbatwaleko ku buziki mulabe obuziki bwe tukuba. Zagala mwerabira olunaku olwaleero we are launching our website kogenda kubanga mu finding everything our productions is zonna ekintu kikwasaganye okitegeera kati kansooke mbatwaleko katono ate mu buziki agiswag mberenga
Ebonies Band.
Kigambo kya Mungu nti mugende mwagalane era muzale mwale. Nze gye mpita yiteyo mu kkubo ndaba banja bamyeka. Akusinga simulaba era sirimulaba. Gwe Katonda yakuweesa gumu terya kuvuganya. Kebe malayika ey'oku nsi banja bagamba wandoga bwera wannunga. Zenkusaba yongera oluge kuba nkufiringa. Nze wandwaza kanzunzu buli wemmera ndowooza ggwe. Nunga ebitagala kutabula ebitagala teyongera oluge. Wandegezeko ne buyindi nofunayo eddagala nodda ne China.
Mwebale kutuvimbiza mutula zamani Bigijime mutulese mwanafunzi yakute omukadde omuto tubagala mwena yemwe bantu baffe tubagala mwena yemwe bantu baffe. Asante sana tubebaza nnyo more and more. Big Jimmy, from beginning to the end.
Mutusonyiwe mwami Jonathan Subi Semagonja ne Sara abantu bamanyi Sara Fauzia nakiboneka Sara Gava mutusonyiwe tubasanze mu recording. But as you know, olwaleero we are launching Ebonwood, that platform. We're going to take all our works, all this music, byonna. So abantu bali online, abantu baba live, abantu baba laba, and once again, I would want kubategeeza bannange mwenna nti this is one of our audio studios, and Sarah, just say a little thing manyi baagala okuwulira ku ddoboozi lyo before we go ahead. Baagala okuwulira abamu balowooza nti oba Sarah ddala ayogera so great.
This is the real me. tusanze okubeera nga tuli wano nga tulaunchinga platform yaffe eya Ebwood egina kuba online platform abantu baffe abali mu diaspora abali everywhere basobola okuba nga ba-accessinga content waffe because most of the people have been asking us temutunda ku mizannyo gyammwe bannange ffe tulajjawo ku butambi bwammwe. Now this is the time okubeera nga your prayers are answered. You just have to pay a small fee obeere nga osobola okulaba That's Life Mwattu and Mbukuli, The Boss, Days, you know those classic plays of is it that Muja Kwamsozera, then music shows of to performing on stage, music tantal, abami singer. So togenda kwangu ina chiwami singer chonogenda kwangu tsanga ku platform eyo. So today is the day when we are launching that platform. Awulidde ategeze gwe kikwatako noyo eyandyagadde omuntu okubeera nga asobola having access to Ebony content. This is it. Okay, Samagonja, yes. Just something, tell us, I mean, this music is going to go on Spotify, on go on it. Yes, just tell them.
Platforms of music. Well, just subscribe to this platform. Just subscribe. So which for the past 41 years?
As long as
for the past 41 years, Ebonies were existing. Subscribe. All music streaming platforms. Thank you so much. We love you all.
As I said earlier, the Theatre Labonita musical group. Tulina one music waffe ddala oli gwe mugijja okusangayo obwedda twalina omukwano ng'akyalina ku mayinja. We've got our turntable here. I don't think ekyaliyo omuntu yenna akyalina turntable eno naye we've kept this over here and it still works. Sekaba, one of our original Mzee Wakazi, audio technician. Please play for us something here. Ganono Mayinja, can you? Yongo zako.
The drum beat is a symbol of joy, a symbol of emotion and sensation. The drum beat is loyal forever.
Now, some of you mutandise memories zitandise okujezeza edda. You'll be able to access all this music on this platform, Ebwood. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, it is going to range from there to the current music. To Zanyire Yoko some music wano. To all that. So tujja kubanga all this music, that's the current Ebony music gwe tulina n'endala nyingi nnyo ze tuyimbye ze mujja okulaba wano. Magonja. Thank you. Yeah, so we record in-house music owaffe naye n'abalala bweru the late radio bakolerako wano Chameleon as worked here with us, and so some of these stars abasinga nabo bali bakozeeko naffe wano mu studios zaffe. So so you are going to have all this music. Nkubirako ku C sharp ndowooza oba nange neme kukula nange
Okay guys, bye-bye.
Yes, tubadde mu studio session eyo no kati ate gye tukolera ennyimba zaffe gwe kyobamanya ekintu gye kyatandikira since 1977 up to date ng'ekintu kikwasaganyiza eyo okitegeera kati kasooke tugendeko mu kayimba ki kapati tonight by the Ebony Divas Bakayine.
Yo, this is a dedication to all Ebony fans. Introducing to you Flipper on the dance floor. Give it to me. Shitty bits. Shitty bits. Shitty bits, let them go. Wine it.
Coach me flip on the dance floor.
Watch me.
Coach me flip on the dance floor.
Wine.
Alright, we got a party tonight. Coach me flip on the dance floor.
Watch me.
Coach me flip on the dance floor.
Wine.
Alright, we got a party tonight.
Studios. We've got a green screen, but green screen. Nayate nayo technically it's called a chroma cloth, and tutera okufilmingirako abantu. Some of you muyinza okulaba omuntu nga abadde wano ate ne tumufilminga nga atudde mu nnyonyi oba nga atudde mu so this chroma ye green screen abafilminga bakimanyi bulungi nnyo mukitegedde. That's good. So this is just one of our sound studios. Can we please gye bavugira ennyonyi gye bakola ki and so on. We are going in here.
Yeah. That's what it is. Yes, kati sawa zino gye mulaba gye bali Dr. Boss omukulu gyali ne bagesiti baffe eyo gye tukolera videos zonna since 1977.
This is where it all happens.
Yeah.
The kitchen. Mwe bafumbira byonna. We've got quite a number of editing suites. Nyingi gaba mulaba. Editing suites nyingi nnyo. We've got that's Life Mwattu, and bayinza okulowooza nti twali twakatandika okumugide, but twamufilminga kuva dda nnyo. When we were starting to film That's Life Mwattu, twali tukozesa these tapes. You'd love to hear. They're pneumatic tapes ze twatandikirako okumurecordingirako. So we've got all this here in our archives. Then we have our ne tuka tumuteeka ku Betacam. Twali ku Betacam. Then bwe tubadde tugenda paka filming, bwe tutandise okufilminga OMG nga tuli ku digital and so on. Byonna bwe tubadde tugenda tutambula. So we've got all these things byonna nga bigenze okuvira ddala ku Umatic bwe twatandikira. Yes. So, as I said, right now, quite a number of small productions. We both do commercial and also we do documentaries, we do series, we do music videos, even public functions and private functions. Yes. Over there, our that is a room ya omuntu waffe akola graphics, computer graphics. We also have some other editing suites over there and so on. So once again, tubaniriza mu Eblewood, and right here, Mulimu Visual Studios. This is one of our studios. It's Visual Studios.
Yes, we are still touring. Our guests tugezako balambula mbife byenjawulo ate mutukolera ebintu byaffe buli kimu kye mulaba our TV series ebibeera ku buli kimu kati naye nga tolunako lwaliro we are launching our online platform website jukira genda kubeerako buli kimu naye nga ate mukama wange Dr. Bosa ate ayongerera ddala abagenyi baffe okubeera ng'abakola ki ng'abakwasaganye kiriwo kiti agiso 256 representing to the fullest tofaayo nsaba busabi you share the link and continue comment ogambe gwe kazanyo kyakakunyumira mutufu katike wezinza okulaba ku website yaffe baba bagenyi baffe batuuse wano wabweru thank you
So right here people online and members of the press wano tuli twagala okubalaga ku motoka zaffe tubadde nga as I told you nti performances ezimu tubadde tuzikola up country. So these are some of our cars that help us ferry the performers and also the stage and the technical team to a particular location. The bus, the carrier the stage, the technical team, and we have even an OB van. It's just behind there, an OB van, outside broadcasting van. Anymore, a mini editing suite, so that it's always so quantity. We edit, we too much so editing even on location. Yes, katigono lujja lwaffe mpola mpola wetwegazanyiza and so on. So can we please
Yes, my boss is here. Kachitulaga watugenda mu saloon. Atolabe mu Eblewood.
We are now going to the saloon.
Thank you.
Some of you may think nti abachala abo ngawe mbalaba we banyirira. Nti bajja buziwe batu ne bajja ku stage, but then tulina saloon etulongoosa esoko okutusiiga ka powder ne tutereera ne tuyoka tugenda ku stage. So this is our saloon. How are you? You're fine? Oh, what is this?
Sammy. Hi, Sammy. How are you?
Fine, twins. From abroad.
So this is our saloon, hair salon, makeup and so on. And before we go on stage, of course, and before we go on set, basoka kutukolako wano ne batulongosalongosaako wano. Noza musobola okurecognizinga ko abantu abamu wano. Becky Juko. Becky Juko, say hi to the people out there.
Hello.
Online.
Hi guys, thank you for watching us online. We love you so much.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, tell them you're going to be bajja kubanga basobola okufuna ku our new platform, Ebawood.
Thank you.
Okay. But saluni yaffe no tukikolako in-house. Of course tukola kuba performers baffe, but tukolako n'abantu ab'ebweru basobola okukola ki, basobola okujja ne babakolako wano. So n'abagole tukola ku bagole, tukola kuba different occasions abantu abalina bonna tuba tubakolerako wano. So then inside there Raka time, of course we've got also a still photo studio. Area Erimondao feels still photo studio. Yes. Opposite here is our marketing office. Marketing team wanawetula na wali.
The marketing team or Mukopo. Evelyn Namlondo. Yes. Nean Judeo. Yes, Munda Bie. Okay. Nondos. Yeah, Nondos and Tuline Dr. Bosako. What?
Tito?
Hi. Yes. Going to one of our locations.
So, people online and members of the press, today, tusaanze mulina chemukola. Okay, this is one of our sets, filming sets that filming amo going to productions of it. This is just one of them, and I think it's familiar somehow, one of the series. So sorry, tusaanze bano balina kye bakola ababadde filming wala filming abadde genda maaso mutusonye okukwata wanya, but then still right now muliko online. Abantu bano abantu abo abali online n'aba members of the press would love to see what you're doing. So Mr. Olanya, one of our Buzei wakazi wabachita. One of our wakazi and senior Ebony is actually the one producing this and directing this filming. So tusonye okuyingirira but tusaba otuweeko kyotuwaayo kakati.
Okay, abagenyi baffe tubaaniriza ndowooza katu twaleyo pek okuwalaga kitekola. You are welcome.
Okay, tuddeko eno ndowooza tulabe kye bagenda okutukola.
Action cameras.
Rolling. Yes, sir, baby.
Get in mood.
Now it's time.
Action.
Yes. Honey, I'm done.
Darling, you're leaving.
Yeah, honey, it's time, Kwan. I have to go.
It's time, but
what?
Kale, toina show la bide.
Let me see. Of course, no. Ebisumuzo b'emmotoka mbiri. No. Ebisumuzo b'emmotoka mbiri na.
Weka sa toina show la.
No, sina kinera bide simu yino njirina. Baby, I love you, honey.
I love you too.
Baby, can't wait.
Genda weeks bidi nze kunze ziba jubanga mye.
Honey, can't play chintu chimwe. Twetaga sente.
I know. Baby, love bagiria. Baby, katwano oli wakusanyusa. Wala utanga tufunye chinde nga kirabika bulungi. Honey, I love you, baby. I love you too, baby. Honey, yeah, my jacket. Yes. Honey, yangu abambi time. Tachimanyi. Nti alowooza simanyi birthday ya leero. Ali kati agamba ogusajja ne utajjukira birthday yange. Okusajja gweyisa bubi gofa ku ssente. Kituuka. Kale tobadde twesezza. Munanga takiguddemu. Alowooza ngenda mu trip. Tachimanyi nti no birthday njimanyi nti ya leero. Kati ngenda mu surprisinga today. Nino mu surprisinga. Ne kapati twakakoze. Ngende omuntu ala wali twamuna mu kapati. Okituuka katani kweka soko vyo kusimula.
Darling, no. Darling. Sagala buzanyo bwozanya. Oliwa. Agenze. Luganda. Epoka rufuwe. Luganda. Banaga obwedanga mboba singa lwakete kusawa 14 lutambula ne Luganda. Banaga olutundo lwatama. Ofumbirwa naye bannake. Wala ogofumbira nakufukira olukokobe. Webale genda olese n'ogenda. Omuntu aluwonye. Ayaya. Fatanga balugenda. Bane na chawo oluntu luno. Ne lukwesibako ne bwolukwata oliranga teluwera. Genda. Mama. Kitechana. Chibubu. Chibebe. Chineyi. Mama bakola ki kamaro muyita. Ajanzi ko stress yolu no lulenzi. Bane oluvubuka luno lwanta. Nesimaile nga leroza ntino nsmailinga wa nako wambwegwe. Bebe. Oliwa. Lugenze jango. Onaba? Avayo. Zenkwagalanga bwali. Jango agenze yangu asekulize. Yeah. Omuntu awunye olonto. Omwana kajanzi ko stress. Oba nsanga tia.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Agenze. Mbadde naba bwenzi.
Sikulaba bulungi.
Mbadde ne simu sigena jikwata. Konze ogamba ki? Agenze.
Ngalugenze.
Vesti yokanga.
Olufulumya bwati. Zene nkubirawo. I love you.
Bambi kyatamanyi. Nti buli bwafuluma nyingira.
Zikere already genda. Nga enja yingi. Nena wali mbebya vuwandi bigize.
Nsonyi wanaye. Ati enjoy your birthday present.
Crazy.
Oh my God, that's my wife.
You're
mchala wange. That is my wife.
No joke when the jana mukazi wo badoli.
Tinda omuyise nange nompeta. Nompisa nometa. Kutisa babiri buli.
Wandinga mino mukazi wa chali yo.
Badde simanyi. Yangambye agenze obako. Yangambye agenze kuzika.
Sini wewe kwa kamera ali ku mulyango.
Kampala ne konsanga. Kampala mwana.
Ndi mwali wale.
Sajja wakitiibwa.
Mugwezo tatenkanya pai.
Sajja wakitiibwa kunsose kambisa.
Kanyengira banyigi.
Ogwenzi kankubulire Chris nakowe ekintu ekiyitibwa ogwenzi buzijjako weyabunyiriza ddala nali okulaba abantu abatasa ogwenzi kwaki abantu benda kwaki oyenda noyenda ku musajjawo noyenda ku baagwo omuntu omukulu nosobola okukola ekintu ekyobusiru bwekityo nze kyekintu kankubulire ekinyiriza ddala kwaki tunenda wabweru kankunyubiririze bwano omanyi teri kintu kinyiiza ku nsi kuno nga muntu ayenda ate nakiitinga nze okunkiitingako kankuya ekinzijjako woya ku mutwe mpulira nga nenviri ziyimiridde olutuuse kankunyumize olutuse va mbya neyo
na imbade saba tunyumize wabweru nkwegayiride
neva wano nembi ogusajja gwago ogubizi nengulima omanyira go gutama nengamba gubizi mbugambye kangendeko jengeze nyine bengezo kwa tulina kapate kangendeke eyo bwe mbulimbye nengenda ka boyfriend kake nengenda nengamba nekangende kanchuse kokotione amanyinga bogenda bwa ka boyfriend kwagamba nganza nazana mpulira checho omanya kutuuka nga mukazi we yagenze ngali na usigalo nze nemukwata ngali na usigalo nengande sigenda bavira kawo
naisoko lideka obaza nyizo kwanga sulide bulonje obadde ogera ku bwenzi nga obadde otegeeza nti oyina woyendera kakati wotuuseeyo n'okwata house galo n'omuntu gwoyenda naye
kakati gwe bwoba olaba nyenze obutayenda mbadde ngenze waka boyfriend kange nga bwomanyi ngenza kumusanga ng'alina omukazi abasajja obwenzi nalyoka agenda nanzizako house galo nayenda kakati kyenkoze ngambye sigenda muviirako nendyoka nkwata house galo mulumye babunzijeko ate n'omusajja mbadde ngenda kumurumaga abadde agenda kusibira nze bayinza okunyendako kyenkoze nemunyina netaka mukobye balese bagize nange nebyemu nebyeki nze
omusajja siwuwo naawe obba mubbe nenotuuka n'oluma n'okuluma olwo banakwata kuwuwo n'okola otya
obwange bayinza nomukwatako obwange ate kankubuulira ogwo obusajja bwange obulaba lwafakina omanyi omusajja talinamu yadde ettondo ly'amagezi atayiiya atagamba nti lokageza obba mugamba okwewaka okwasamirira okuyiwa endusu n'okufuuwa ate wamala ekyo wawezi ogamba nti omusajja ayiyeeko ng'omusajja oba akyuseeko naye talinamu yadde bagezi gagamba baneka oba afa ddi ye talinamu yadde ekintu ky'amagezi nti oba kikino kankikole oba kyengenda okukola talina magezi talina kankubuulire singa nali nsobola okumuta nandi muyengedde obucupa ne bumuteera bugirasi nabunywa nemanya ogw'omulango
Wanda muyengedde akashimbo kiba
tulina nsonyi
kukutta lubona obadde ogeze mbwenzi siina waka ndi musirusiru shut up out man nkugambye maka gange todda maka gange kugambye todda masakala kuddamu okukulaba mu maka gange omanyi netwekuuma netwefaako nkoze buli kisoboka okukuma omukazi olwo kiki wekaze
okola ki mu nnyumba ya neyiba nga mulimu babiri ng'oli mu tawulo mama laba ekyovu obadde onaaba wangambye ko onaabe mangu ogende oyina meeting eno meeting nyabo abadde ekime sabuni buli jamu kibawo ani gwamanyira tabatisimawano mubwagwe tabatisimawano discussion tegero ina magezi oliokodde kunywa nyabo gwe noliokonzirako obadde akunyumiza embazi kumbe owange gwolese eno nga nakugamba nze seyalinga sigaba gweyagala kiki gwe tova mu bwenzi okalamuko oyagala kuba buli omu tova mu bwenzi naye olwokuvinya tova mu bwenzi
obategeza omusajja mulala obategeza omusajja mulala nosangayo omukozi singa muli kuki kati
ngenda kubalopa nange ngenda genda ngambe bawo mugambe kangende mubalopeyo nange sha munekalizamu mwagala kunefunira ngati kambabulire naye ngenda kulopa
mukazi munange
mukazi wawawe
neje tuli bantu bakulu wuyo ali ku mavivi mazima amatofu ya tusobola kigonjola kwagamba ngera abantu
tutya
nyagayiride tuli ba neighbors tusobola okutwana ne tutesa ebirala byonna bikoli okuncha wanja kigumira naye kwagayiride togamba Chris bawange Chris nkwagayiride togesa munyega sikumanyira Chris mumumanyi Chris tomumanya wamba mpedde
bautya
vampire yozimanyi alien yozimanyi kati Chris agatta bibiri
kinaki
vampire ne alien nafuuka omuntu
nawe
Chris yali ensolo nyama mumumanyi Chris baba tanywedde ku musaayi taba muntu
wanje
Chris yansanga busanzi na muganda wange nga tannamutegera nti muganda wange tunyumya tuseka Chris okutupa wali yamujjako kutu nenda munyonyola nti yo muganda wange gwezirako ng'okutu kwagudde dda eyo Chris temunnamutegeera Chris muzibu nnyo Chris waliwo omusajja yali atambula n'embwayi just nangamba bugambi hai kumba Chris ali mabega alaba nemugamba hai Chris ku bukambwe bwa Chris yakwata bukwasimbwa nga ya musajja
n'agigira
bwati n'afuna ekicupa n'akikoona Chris n'ayenga ekicupa n'akiwembwa embwa neefanga Chris atunula bw'ati kakati mmwe ogambe Chris mazima ddala oyagala kunkola ki
tomugamba
kati ku Chris bwe yakakola kwe mbanyumirizako
okitegedde nkusonyise genda kukubanga lwaki mba mugamba
mujjamba weleke nga bamunsonyi mamaze uyotwala mujjamba weleke
nze mbasonyiye pasi kagwana Europa tawaziriza.
Okay, cut. Prepare for take 2.
East Africa's leading drama group, the Ebonies. That's what it is. That was Nakabuye Victoria, then Mariam Bukenya, then Jordan Lukenge, and who? Jonathan Sobi. Yes, Akadama Toga Metukola MGD. Eventually, Nane Tuveranga, Tuanga Sagala Muera, Tona Corrado, Tugenda Kwatu launching our online platforms, website, the Ogano Kuberango, finding all those productions. So please, it's going to be simple. You're going to be subscribing. Atechi Toberengo Chirumira. So I know, okay, Uganda, but nobody in America. Abali UK, abali Vietnam, abali ne China. Ekintu mugenda kubanga mukinyumira ekintu wekiri. But please continue sharing and comment. Nabyokono ku comments oyinaga abane obwenzi bubinyo ife tukola edutainment. Kati mu abafumbo oyizeemuki. Tetuzanya buzanya mizanyo nti bannange tuzanya ekintu ne kiyitawo. Naye obeera olina okubeera ng'okola ki ng'oyiga ebintu bingi nnyo tokyabawa.
Thank you. Scorpion kale baako nawe kyogira. Obate mutemu waffe baako kyogira
banange mwe bali tutwagala bannamawulire baffe mwenna tusanyuse nnyo okujja ne mutukyaza
n'abali ku online bakulaba
n'abali ku online bannaye mwe bali nnyo please mutulabe mujje mutuwagire mujje Dr. Bosa waffe nga babalaze kamera ez'amaanyi buli kimu mujje mutupangiseeko ate mutwegatteko nga tukole ekyamaanyi nnyo ekyakabi. We love you so much, we respect you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you once again. And please, guys, so this is just one of our sets. Yayogedde dda. But abawevingireko mu ttawula tebamulabangako ng'ali bwereere. Okay, thank you. Banange, you can continue with your filming. I know tubayingiridde mpola mpola.
Now for take 2.
Sorry, tusanze bali ku volume rehearsals. So it's not so. Naye right. Yes, Muliko online, and we have guests, members of the press here, and of course Mumanye Olwarero Mlamwa. We are launching our platform. We're going to take ebintu byaffe byonna all our works zonna content yaffe we're tugenda okugiteeka. So and tubasanze muri rehearsals. If you have got something, I mean, let me just go ahead. I know all these people online would love to see you do something for them. So you can go ahead. Go ahead, you go.
Just singa namanya ntegere nkwatako singa namanya tumukoze ntyanze renachemulaya singa namanya tumukoze ntyanze renachemulaya singa namanya singa namanya
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, members of the press, Abantu Mwenabalik Online, this is one of our rehearsal venues. I'd Sanze Bagena Mass on the rehearsal. Before we take our productions to Theatre Labonita, tusoka kurehearsingira wano. We first rehearse, then we tulabanga tuchi perfectinze. That's when we take the production to Theatre Labonita. I want to thank you once again for the beautiful rehearsals. Mr. Lindo, Nandiagadde pointing out. Some of you might remember him in Bibawo, Lindo. He's a veteran. He's still with us here, and so on. So, wave to the people. You are going to see many of these things. Mujja kubanga musobola kubiraba ku mukutu gwaffe omupya gwe tugenda okugula olwaleero Ebonies. Thank you. Dancers, Mama, Ziraba, the instrument players, our instrument players over here. That is so good. Thank you so much. Ebonies mwena mwena. Balungi nnyo.
Era nnyambako wano.
Excuse.
Bagenda kusanyirawa.
Situde ne bamutwala eri ne bamutwala eno. That was just Nasanga Hajat Kaspa mu OMG ne Bobby Biole Elijah nga ekintu
Now, as you see, this is also another set. This is also another set. As you see, this is also another set. Unfortunately, right time Jetulina won't be able to show you sets zonna Zetulina muno. Na ye, you know, it is a bar. It is a bar, and motu filminga eventually ebimu scenes ezimu zemulaba nga tuli mu bala and so on. Babadi tabana actually tubakutte masamba mbiro bwe batibadi tabana kugisetting na settings bulungi. But I just said to jet mulabe koko just where we film like the bar setting and so on. So as I said, the two jokes are about all the sets, but to someone okubalaga kwezimu kuzino kuzetulina eziriwo. And can we let's just go. Thank you so much. How many is bagenda zireta? Okay.
That was our bar, yes, high-five bar. Kwegulifini, ngamba buli kimu kigwera wano. Mwalimu babyeko beda mu Universal Studios nogenda yokati fe wane Ebonies, Ebonwood, buli kimu kigwera wano. Nenga continue sharing the link. Tell your friends that we are live on our Facebook page. You understand? Remember, today we are going to be launching our online platforms. You understand? So don't forget, tugenda kwa tubayigiriza buli kimu kyonna engeri gyogenda okukikola mu atobere ng'ofuna productions zaffe zonna. Tugenze mu Urban Live Villa.
The Ebonies tugenda kutandikawo a new series zetutandiseko okufilminga. We've started shooting our new series and za mirundi ebiri, but one of them is Urban Life. Urban Life, to focusing at the youth, the youth mainly. It is 90% in English. It is 9% in English. So this location here is basically a set year scenes ezigenda okubeera is one of the sets ezijja okufilmingwamu scenes za Urban Life wano. As you realize, as I said, it's basically focusing on the youth, so it is a hostel kind of setting. We've got the boys wing over there, and we've got the girls wing over there. That's the upper floor. Outside there you got the upper floor, then girls wing over there, then we've got the warden's office. So chikuwa picture, until really it's going to be focusing on the youth. We also have another one which we have already started shooting, Jebaita Fire in the House. Nainga you're focusing basically on family, day-to-day lives, more family. And it is also 90% in English. Tujakuba to advising when we'll start airing that. But of course, ngawe mumanyi nti ebintu byaffe byonna byonna, most of our works, even these, tujja kubanga tubiteeka ku platform yaffe no, our new platform ya www.ebowood.com. I would like to emphasize again nti emirimu gyaffe gyonna, we started in 1977. All the content, all the works, all the productions that we've done since 1977, you'll be able to get them on our new platform, the one we're launching today. We've done so many stage plays. We've done so many series. Some of the series, Zemumanyinga, That's Life Mwattu, abamu kufe mwetwajja amanyanga Dr. Bosa. O abantu abamba yizo kubanga tebachimanyi. So twagajja mu elinya twalijja mu That's Life Mwattu n'abantu ng'olanya abantu bagajja mu That's Life Mwattu. So we've got this series. That's Life Mwattu has got about 768 episodes. So that's quite a number. Bibawo has got about 628, and Tobero a la carte, and so on. So, byonna byonna ojja kubanga osobola okubifuna on this platform. Our audio music, you'll be able to get our audio music on Spotify, all those platforms as Spotify and so on, Apple Music and so on and so forth. So, once again, I want to thank you so much for coming. If there are a few questions, if you banga time against nalyagadde nnyo okubalaga venues endala zonna zetulina, and so naye olwa time yaffe online, I won't be sijja kusaba batwalayo wonna wonna, but once again I really want to thank you so much for being with us today. Abas Press coming over to our location, our place, and Nabaliku Online. Thank you for enjoying. Yes, just a few questions, then we officially launch the
mbadde njagala kumanya ku kusomezebwa kikumisanze mu industry eno since 1977.
Of course bingi naye mukama atuyambye ne tuba nti tugenze tuvunuka ebintu bingi nnyo. Of course there wabaddewo change of environment politically, biki byonna byonna, all those changes, naye Ebonies stand is a firm because of the foundation owekitiibwa Sembajjwe gye yateekawo gye yatandikiza omusingi gwe yagitandikako gutuyambye okuba nti tusigala nga tuli bagumu. All those waves, the political waves, the gundi byonna ebibaddewo tubadde tustandinga firm up to today nga tetuli shaken at all ate netusobola okuachievinga bino byonna, but it's all because of the foundation era yatandikibwawo founder owekitiibwa Katende.
waliwo ne twava mu theatre gye bayita Bat Valley Theatre. Owekitiibwa n'atandika theatre endala Labonita.
Oya, twatandikira mu theatre Excelsior. Now the current Bat Valley. Yes. Naye we twatuuka midway, of course abintu ne baagala okugitwala ne bagitwala naye ate owekitiibwa nayekatekawo endala
kati yesinga mu East Africa okunokutuuza abantu abangi n'obulungi.
My name is Moses Serugo. 2 questions.
From Monica. Okay.
I'm an arts journalist.
Oh,
Doesn't matter whether I'm a monitor or I'm a blogger. There's so much about technology these days that you don't have to be a mainstream journalist. 2 questions, Samba again. I'm going to call you Dr. Bosa. Ebonies has been around since 1977.
Since 1977.
And it has morphed over the years from Jimmy Katumba with the Ebonies, a singing group, to a TV series, acting outfit, to a stage drama group. I'm curious to know, because I grew up, I've been around quite long enough before
to watch all
these. So I'm curious to know, are we going to have like the Jimmy Katumba experience like we used to have on UTV when Uganda supermarket was sponsoring the shows that you used to put on UTV? And then my second question is about the UCC regulations in regards to the stage plays. The stage plays, because right about now you pretty much have to seek for permission from UCC before you put on a stage play and all that. So how are the Ebonies doing that?
Okay, the first one, definitely. I want to assure you that on this platform, you're really going to have that experience, really like from 1977. Because first of all, we recorded all these things. They have been in our archives, and we had professionally recorded them. So what we're doing is now we are releasing them to you on this platform, Eberwood. So you're really going to enjoy the shows as they were during that time in 1977, during the times of Jimmy Katumba, during the times of That's Life Mwattu, the Nakawundes, when we were with the Nakawundes, the late Dick Katende, and up to date. So that one, I want to assure you that you're going to have all that. You're really going to have that experience. Secondly, for this, I don't really want to say much about this. Talk about this, the regulations and so on, because we're also still trying to understand them. It is still a bit confusing. So I want to be I wouldn't like to say much about it until we are really very sure and we really understand them. I mean, it's something that was brought to us, and we're now trying to internalize it. Everyone is internalizing it in his own way, and then we shall soon come up with. Right now, I really can't understand. I can't answer that question here, Gondi.
Okay.
But
mid this month marks 5 months since the lockdown was announced. At the Ebonies is about 100 people that live off the livelihood of the Ebonies. How have people been surviving, and what's the future of Theatre Labonita?
Of course, as soon as the lockdown is moved, definitely we are going to start in full swing. We have not been seated. We've been creating quite a number of things, and we've got quite a number of things in our can. Now it's just a matter of President Kunyigakali, until lockdown is off, then we shall go full swing with Theatre Labonita. Yes.
How have the members been surviving?
Pardon?
How have the members been surviving?
But as you see them, they're all happy, and we shall still go. We are going to launch. We are going to. Tugende. Tugende eri bali balonkinga. Ati nze nina okwogera.
Yes, that was Urban Villa. Yes, tugenda okumu our upcoming series ezimu zetugenda okubeera nga tetukola eyo ye set ate ng'era nga mukama wange wabeeyo wabweru ate tubeere nga tubatwala ate ekintu etugenda okuba nga tukisabuukulira okitegeera tugenda kuba tusabuukulira. I told you tugenda kuba swagging. What's up? What's up?
Do you have everybody here?
Where are the people?
Do you have everybody here? Okay. Alex?
Look at the wine. No, now
Oh, yeah. Honey? Okay, people online and members of the press, here with me I have a law expert, entertainment law expert, Counsel Louis Luganda. He's going to help us. He's going to take us through emitendera okutuuka okusubscribing and okubeera ku platform eyo. So I'm going to ask him to help us do that. Then eventually we shall officially launch the platform. So, Mr. Louis.
Thank you. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. A very big greetings to all our fans watching us from all over the world and those watching us locally. It's a very exciting day because today we are launching the Ebonies online platform. This platform is going to have Ebonies content, both audio. As you know, Ebonies was a musical drama group, a full service entertainment group. So we're going to have a platform that's going to have our content, both audio and the videos. So I'm going to take you through the audio bits for all the music, for the music that has been produced by the Ebonies from the 77s, from Jimmy Katumba and the Ebonies until date, and the music they keep creating, because we shall keep uploading music. And then I'll take you through, I'll take you through the current platform, Bibawo, which we are really excited to launch. So, As you know, Ebonies was a music group, first and foremost, and people have been thirsty for that music for a very long time. Our music hasn't been readily or freely available on all these platforms. But I'm glad to announce today that all Ebonies music from 1977 till date is available on all streaming platforms, all online streaming platforms all over the world: Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Pandora, Mediacast, every single platform you have access to, you're now going to be able to access that music. So whatever streaming platform you use, your favorite streaming platform, just get on, subscribe, search the Ebonies, and just like that, you'll be able to listen to this music as much as you can. Those in Uganda that want to access Tidal through MTN, it is *165 *66#. But I'm just going to show you briefly on my phone what our page looks like on Spotify and on Tidal, if you don't mind. So, if you go on any, and this could be on Apple Music, first of all, most of these platforms, they're going to give you a free trial period for 1 month. Apple Music has 6 months free, after which you can join the subscription period. So, if you go on Spotify, one second, let's start with Tidal. If you go on Tidal and you search the Ebonies, this is what you will find. You'll find all our hit singles, you'll find all our albums, and you would go to any of those. For example, if I can go on the first volume, these are the albums you will find, and you can listen to that music straight away. If you go to Spotify, I know most people don't have access to Spotify, but this is what our page looks like on Spotify. All the albums are there, all the singles from 1977. And we're going to keep uploading music that has been produced to date. I think you are in the audio studio. You have to understand that music then was more analog. You saw the LPs and the vinyls. So we had to remaster and digitize this music in order to upload it on all these platforms. So I'm happy to tell you that this music is already live. You can just subscribe right now, and you'll be able to access it right there. Now,
are you the fan of the Ebonies?
Just 1 second, please. So the most important one is our current platform for all our plays, all our skits, all the productions we've had. We've had quite a long running schedule of productions on all media platforms, all TV stations from the early 90s, the likes of the legends right here next to me, Dr. Bosa, that's Life Mwattu, Bibawo, Chitobero, Life Kyeki, OMG. There are just so many. And people are wondering how they could have access to this online. As you know, everything is now moving online, and we were working on this from last year. And I'm so happy to inform you that all our content is available online at www.ebowood.com. I repeat, www.ebowood.com. So anywhere you are in the world, you can access all this content by just a streak of either on your laptop or on your mobile phone or on your tablet. So if you open our website, for example, on your phone, this is what you'll find. When you go to www.ebowood.com, you're going to find the different plans that we have. We have a daily plan, there's a monthly plan, and there's a quarterly plan. The daily plan, if you just want to watch for a day, the daily plan is 4,000 Uganda shillings. Again, we try to make this as accessible as we can. The monthly plan is 30,000. All right. The quarterly plan, which is like 3 months, is 70,000, and the annual plan is 300,000. Now, whichever plan you want to use, just click on the plans. Once you go on our website, click on the plan you want. You will then fill in your details. All right. You'll fill in your details, and a link will be sent to you. Just click that link, and you'll be able to access all this content for as much as you want. I'm talking about content all from the early 90s and before, the live performances of Jimmy Katumba, to the TV series, to the skits, to all the trips the Ebonies and the shows they've had abroad, because they've had so many foreign trips and they've performed worldwide. So again, log on to www.ebowood.com, get the plan that works for you. You can pay by mobile money, you can pay by credit card, you can pay by PayPal, anyway, all those options are there. You'll get a link, and once you click on that link, you will have access to all our content. So just to give you a recap of all the steps, we're just going to play you a video, and then we shall officially launch this platform. Yes. Oh yeah. Take off the light.
Are you a fan of the Ebonies? Oh, do you want to become one? Are you missing their productions? Well, the Ebonies are launching their online video platform with all their productions from 1977 to date, including TV series, stage plays, musical shows, comedies, and screen nights. To access the platform, simply log on to www.ebo.com. Choose a plan. Fill in your details. You'll then receive an email with a link. Click on the link, log in, and watch all their productions. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I still want to emphasize, I don't know, kutegeza, people who have been watching us here, people in the diaspora, members of the press, I really want to thank you for being with us today, this afternoon.
Online, but please don't forget to subscribe on www.ebowood.com. I want to thank the Swag Nation. Ababadeko, it's Ajiswag 256 representing to the fullest, and to you, Ebony fans, thank you so much. Tugenda kubabuli chimu tuchibawa. Continue sharing the link. Yes, chintuberenga ate tuchibongera bulungi no. Let me take this opportunity to wish Mariam Passion a happy birthday and a happy anniversary. I'm out. Thank you so much. It's Ajiswag 256 representing to the fullest, like always.
Are you a fan of the Ebonies? Oh, do you want to become one? Are you missing their productions? Well, the Ebonies are launching their online video platform with all their productions from 1977 to date, including TV series, stage plays, musical shows, comedies, and screen nights. To access the platform, simply log on to www.ebo.com. Choose a plan. Fill in your details. You'll then receive an email with a link. Click on the link, log in, and watch all their productions.